How to delete Google Lens photos on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome to the tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can clear your Google Lens history. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get right into it. The first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up your Google web search engine. And then from here, you can just tap on your profile icon at the top right. Now just tap on Manage your Google account. So once you land on your account manager, you'll find different tabs on top of your screen like Home, Personal Info. Head over to Data and Privacy and scroll down until you see your history settings. Now just go ahead and tap on My Activity and scroll down a bit until you see all of these options. So what you're going to do here now is go back again and tap on your activity. And from now here, you can just tap on your Google Lens icon right here. Just tap on it and it will show you all of your Google Lens activity and history. So if you want to delete all of these, just tap on delete and you can select delete all time. You can set a custom range or you can just delete something from today. So if you want to delete all time, just tap on this one. If you want to delete if you want to turn on auto delete, it will delete on 18 months. So once the history is 18 months old, it will automatically be deleted. Now, if you want to set a custom range, you can just select before and after date and delete it from there. It's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.